Hello everyone, myself Dr. Manjula SV, Assistant Professor of Sociology, Government First Grade College, Varthur, Bangalore North University. Today I am discussing the subject non-core paper titled Culture, Diversity and Society for 3rd and 5th semester students who are studying in BSc, BCA, BCom, BBA and BHM. Unit 2 Family, Caste, Village and Women in India, session number 28, and the topic for today's session is revision. Firstly, let us have a look into the question paper pattern. Here, the theory paper is of multiple choice question where the students will be having 55 questions with 4 options. So, the student should select one for each question, each answer. So, from the question number 1 to 40 is 40 marks, which will be having single mark. Then from question number 41 to 55, it will be totally 15 questions which carries 30 marks. Totally 70 marks for this question paper. Here it is a clear model question paper pattern of culture, diversity and society. The duration will be for 3 hours and the total marks for the exam is 70 marks, and the question paper will be divided into 2 parts, part A and part B. Part A consists of 40 marks and part B consists of 30 marks. Here the question paper pattern in part A, answer all questions. Each question carries 1 mark, that is 1 into 40 is equal to 40. And answer part B includes answer all question. Each question carries 2 marks, that is from question number 41 to 55 is for 2 marks questions. So this is how the question paper pattern looks. Here from each unit, each specific concept you will be having the questions. Here the questions what is been dealt in this session, discussed in this session, will be of only the second chapter. Here firstly we can see the questions related to family. Here you have to concentrate on, as I have said earlier, there will be the questions will be such of question, one word question or fill in the blanks or single line sentence or ratios related to each other, anything it can be. And the 2 marks questions can be of chronological order, sequence order, match the following, fill in the blanks, anything it can be. This is the model which you will be having. Here we can see that in family they can ask you the meaning of family, how the word has been derived, and what is the word which family is derived, and who called joint family and what is joint family. Here are the most important questions which have been repeated in previous year question paper I have discussed with you. Here we can see that an institution which consists of husband and wife with or without children is called as family. Here we can see that a group of people with their blood relatives, that is husband, wife and their children. The children might be or may not be living together is known as a family. The word family is derived from the Latin word familus. The word family is derived from the Latin word dash. The answer is familus. Henry Maine called joint family as Mahamane. The Nair matrilineal family is known as Tarawad. This is very important questions. Most of the question papers are having this question. The Nambudiri joint family is known as Illam. The Nambudiri joint family is known as patriarchal family. It is known as Illam. The eldest male member of the joint family in India is known as Karta. Now social stratification. Here we will be having the meaning of social stratification and the forms of social stratification, and who performed the conflict theory of social stratification. It was Karl Marx. The universal process of defining and ranking people into hierarchical categories is called as social stratification. Here we will be having the questions on Varna. How many Varnas are there and name them. And here the main form of stratification that is based in India can be caste and class. The social stratification in India is mainly based on caste and class system. When we come to the caste system, you'll be having the social stratification in India is mainly based on caste and class. Here, who called caste as a closed group? The answer is D.N. Majumdar. The word caste is derived from the Spanish word dash. The answer is casta. Caste is always a closed group. It is not an open group. Caste is based on birth. Birth means it is an ascribed status which a person gets his status from his birth is known as ascribed status. Here there are the examples of caste, doctor, teacher and class. Here doctor is an achieved status, teacher is an achieved status, class is an achieved status. So ascribed, caste is by birth, so caste is an ascribed status. Then dash is an achieved status. Except class, all these are ascribed status, so class is an achieved status. Then we can have the question on who is the author of the book Caste and Race in India. It is obviously G.S. Gure, who is called as the father of Indian sociology. How many varnas are there? There are 4 varnas. Here you can see that who were in the bottommost or lowermost position in the caste hierarchical ladder. It can be said that untouchables, because above untouchables there were upper castes such as Brahmin, Kshatriyas and Vaishyas. The food prepared by ghee is known as pakka food. The food prepared by water is known as kacha food. Dalits were also called as untouchables, panchamas, harijans. Answer is all the above. An individual marrying within the group is known as endogamy. The person marrying outside his own group is known as exogamy. Caste system is a rigid one. Who gave the concept of dominant caste? It is M.N. Srinivas gave the concept of dominant caste. Here we can see the correct sequence of Varna system is Brahmin, Kshatriya, Vaishya and Shudra. Next, Shuddhi means purification. The term social stratification refers to, as we have discussed in the earlier classes, social stratification is nothing but an inequality or a hierarchical disorder. So, here we can see that superiority and inferiority is considered as a social stratification. Ranking system is considered as a social stratification. The Varna system of the social stratification is based on division of labor. As we know that Varna means it is a color. It is not the color of the people. It is the work which the people are doing. Work in the sense occupation which the people are doing. Which of the following is not a criterion of class stratification? It is birth. Who is the author of The Family in 1953? The author is Burgess and Locke. Caste is an endogamous group. A pure caste system is rooted in religious order. Max Weber characterized caste as a closed status group. A class of a person is determined by his occupation. Now let us look into scheduled caste. As we know that scheduled caste, scheduled tribe, backward classes and religious minorities are weaker sections. The term scheduled caste is a politico-legal one. The word scheduled refers to list or a table. The term scheduled caste was first coined by Simon Commission in 1928. Mahatma Gandhi ji called scheduled caste as Harijan. Dash article abolishes the practice of untouchability. It is article 17. It is very important question. ಯಾವ ಕಾಯ್ದೆಯು ಅಥವಾ ಯಾವ ವಿಧಿಯು ಅಸ್ಪೃಶ್ಯತೆಯ ಆಚರಣೆಯನ್ನ ನಿಷೇಧಿಸುತ್ತದೆ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ ವಿಧಿ 17. Who was the chairman of the drafting committee? It was Dr. B.R. Ambedkar. Who demanded separate electorate? It was Ambedkar. The Untouchability Offences Act was passed in the year 1955. The Protection and Civil Rights Act was passed in 1976. Here some of the questions are there. You can have a look. And Dash is the author of the book Caste Old and New. It was Andhra Bethen. Next, Dash prohibits discrimination on grounds of religion, caste, race, sex, or place of birth. Is Article 15 says that no one should be discriminated on grounds of religion, caste, race, sex, or place of birth. Who coined the word Harijan? It was Narasimha Mehta or Narasimha Mehta, and the word Harijan was popularized by Mahatma Gandhi ji. Who is the author of the book History of Caste in India? It was S.V. Ketkar. Chandala, Panchama, Antyaja, Sarpach are the different names of untouchable caste. The Untouchability Offence Act was substituted by which act? The answer is the Protection of Civil Right Act 1976. Vokkaligas and Lingayats are the two dominant castes of which state? The answer is Karnataka. In Karnataka, we can find the two dominant castes as Vokkaligas and Lingayats. Padayachi and Mudaliyats are the dominant caste of which state? The answer is Tamil Nadu. Now, scheduled tribes. Here, many have called scheduled tribes in different names. Takkar Bappa called them as Adi Praja. Mahatma Gandhi ji called them as Girijan. G.S. Gure called them as backward Hindus. Verrier Elvin called them as Aboriginals. Hutton called them as primitive tribe. These are the different names given by different thinkers, scholars for tribal people. Who is associated with National Park approach with regard to tribes? It was Verrier Elvin. Now, here we have the questions on scheduled tribes. Who is the author of the book The National Philosophy of NEFA? It is Nehru. Dash article provides for a commissioner for scheduled caste and scheduled tribe is Article 338. The scheduled tribes list modification order of 1956 listed tribes in various states of India. Which was that article? Means 414. Next, Panchashila means 5 principles. Backward classes. The first Backward Classes Commission of India was headed by Kaka Saheb Kalelkar. The second Backward Classes Commission in 1917 was led by B.P. Mandal. It is called as Mandal Commission. Dash was the chairperson of the first Backward Classes Commission in Karnataka, which took place in 1960. It was Naganagowda Commission. The chief minister who appointed the first Backward Classes Commission of Karnataka was S. Nijalingappa. Dash article protects the interest of minorities, that is cultural and educational interest of the minorities. Answer is Article 29 protects the interest of cultural and educational opportunities, interest of minorities. Dash is a collection of families bearing a common name, speaking a common dialect, occupation or profession, common territory, and is not usually endogamous through originally it might have been so. The answer is tribe. Here we have certain questions related to backward classes, and here the questions have been focused on rural society and its problems. Here we can see that Dash said human society has been cradled in the rural group. Bugardis. Dash is the main occupation of the people in rural society. It is agriculture. Who is the author of the book Minutes on the Village of Delhi? Answer is Charles Metcalfe. Dash is the characteristics of rural society, that is rural societies are small in size, they have informal social control, they have social homogeneity. Answer is all the above. The system that governed by relationships based on reciprocity in intercaste relations in village is known as Jajmani system. Gender discrimination. Here the word gender is a dash construction. Answer is social construction. The word sex is a dash construction. It is a biological construction. Dash means to serve the interest of the male sex. Answer is patriarchy. Gender discrimination is discrimination against people based on their gender. dash year was celebrated as International Women's Year by UN? Answer is 1975 was celebrated as International Women's Year. March 8 is celebrated as Women's Day. Status and problems of Toward Equality Report 1974 is related to status and problems of Indian women. The Indian society is dominated by patriarchal norms. Who said that women must be under the control of their father, brother, husband and son throughout their lifetime? It was Manu. Certain amendments are there. Dash amendments of 1993 provide reservation of seats for women in the local bodies of panchayats and municipalities. Answer is 73rd and 74th amendments of the Indian Constitution. National policy on education was passed in the year 1986. Under Dash Prime Minister, the national policy of education of 1986 was formulated. Answer is Rajiv Gandhi. According to 2011 census, the sex ratio was 940 for 1000 men, means 940 women for 1000 men. The Criminal Law Amendment Act was passed in the Parliament in the year 2013. Here the questions are related to violence against women, dowry deaths, wife battering or wife beating, sexual abuse, maltreatment of widows are the examples of violence against women, that is domestic violence. SARC Year of the Girl Child was observed in the year 1990. Enumeration Act, Equal Enumeration Act was passed in the year 1976. The first Women's World Congress of 1975 was held at Mexico. The second World Women Congress held at Copenhagen. The third Women's World Congress in 1985 was held at Nairobi. The fourth Women's World Congress in 1995 was held at Beijing. The fifth World Conference of Women was held in the year 2015. The Dowry Prohibition Act was passed in the year 1961. Alok Dikshit name is concerned with dash kind of violence against women. It is acid attack. Medical Termination of Pregnancy Act was enacted in the year 1971. The Family Court Act was enacted in 1984. Dash year was observed as Year of Women's Empowerment. It is 2001. The National Commission for Women was established in the year 1992. SHG stands for Self-Help Groups. The Chief Minister launched the Sri Shakti scheme to empower women economically was S.M. Krishna. So, thanking one and all.